Welcome to the 6th video in our Open Fender System installation guide series for the 2016 through 2018 Chevy HD. In this video, we will be going through how to install the OEM inner fenders. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable chapters and steps so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This is not a replacement for the professional skills and experience required. Disclaimer: all liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage, and for professional installation only. Chapter 8: Installing the OEM inner fender. Mark all the locations where cuts will need to be made by tracing a cut line along the contours of the vehicle. Take a small reciprocal saw and cut along the cut lines made by the marker. From here, reinstall the OEM hardware back into their mounting locations, trying to retain as many mounting locations as possible to avoid fluttering of the inner fender when the vehicle is in motion. The process for installing the rear inner fender will be the same as installing the front inner fender. Note that not all models have a rear OEM inner fender. You are now finished with Chapter 8 and can move on to Chapter 9.